I'm Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 6D. I study in Bisam Shastranagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I'm going to tell you something about GK and it is 8 Sisters of India. Before starting with the 8 sisters, we should know that which states are the 8 sisters. It is Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur and Meghalaya. You know that the Northeast India is popular as the 8 sisters. These states are recognized as NE Council. Arunachal Pradesh, the land of dawn-lit mountains, is separated from China in the north by the disputed McMahon line. Itanagar is the capital of the state and Golden Pagoda, Namasai, is a popular tourist spot. Arunachal Pradesh contains one of the highest proportions of Buddhists in India. Let's go on Assam. Located on the south of the eastern Himalayas along Brahmaputra and Barak river valleys, Assam tea and Assam silk are the popular items of this state. Dispur is the capital of Assam. The state has conserved the one-horned Indian rhinoceros from near extinction. Its economy is aided by wildlife tourism to Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park, which are World Heritage Sites. Now Sikkim. It borders Tibet in north and northeast, Bhutan in east and Nepal in the west. It is the second smallest state in India and the least populous. Gangtok is the capital. Kanchenjunga, you can see this mountain, which is the third highest mountain in the whole world, which lies between Sikkim and Nepal. The state animal of Sikkim is red panda. Nagaland. It is a mountainous state in northeast India, bordering Myanmar. It is home to indigenous tribes such as Lotha, Kuki, Phom, etc. Each tribe is unique in character with its own distinct language and dress. Kohima is the capital. This state is having over 80% literacy. Mizoram. It means land of Mizos, native inhabitants of Mizoram. This state has the highest concentration of tribal people among all states in India. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. It is the second least populous state in the country. Kale and bamboo handicraft items are popular in the state. It has 91.58% literacy rate and is among the most literate states in the country. Tripura. It is the third smallest state in the country. Its capital is Agartala. It lies in a geographically disadvantageous location in India, as only one major highway, the National Highway 8, connects it with the rest of the country. Tripura has literacy rate of 94.65 and tops the chart of the states in terms of literacy. Manipur, the state popular for its Manipuri dance, has a population of 3 million, including the Meitei, who are the maximum in the state. Manipur has been at crossroads of Asian economic and cultural exchange for more than 2,500 years. It has long connected the Indian subcontinent of Southeast Asia and China, enabling migration of people, cultures and religions. Its capital is Imphal. Meghalaya. The name means abode of clouds in Sanskrit. Cherrapunji, one of the most popular tourist attractions in Northeast India, is located in Meghalaya and holds the world record for most train calendar in this month. Its capital is Shillong. You can see this waterfall is in Shillong. Such so beautiful. So that's all from my side. Chinvajaga signing off. Bye.